Now, fourth paragraph, this is the last paragraph of the poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh here can be because of satisfaction, or it may be because of regret. We do not know whether poet was happy afterwards in his life, or whether he was really sad because his decision turned wrong. But he says, I shall be telling this. This means here, the ending here, that he had left first road for some other day in his life. He wanted to travel on that also, but he could not travel on the first road because he had left it far back and he could never come back to travel it. So he says, I shall be telling this in his future with a sigh. Now, if his decision had turned right, maybe it is a sigh of satisfaction. If his decision had turned wrong, then maybe it is a sigh of regret. Somewhere ages and ages hence. Ages and ages hence means many years later in his future. When he might have grown old, he says, then in my future, after many years, he will be telling to others with a sigh that how he had once decided to take a challenging road. He had left the first road to travel on for some other day, but he could never come back and try that road. The two roads diverged in a wood. This is the same part of the story that he will be telling, how in a wood means in a forest once, the road on which he was traveling, it diverged, it separated into two, and I. Now he leaves it here, that he will be telling this story to somebody. I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Now here in the last two lines, the poet wants to say that he chose a less traveled road, because of which his life was shaped in a particular manner. Whatever became of his life, it might have shaped up in a particular manner, अच्छी हुई होगी या बुरी हुई होगी, but the decision that he had taken, so he says that his decision in life shaped his life in a particular manner. But at times, the poet also wonders what would have happened to his life if he had chosen the more traveled, that first road, which was more traveled, which was at that time looking easier, but he had taken a challenging route. So we do not know whether he was really sad or happy, but our decisions shape our life. Good, bad, it depends. We come to know of it in future. When we start our journey in life, we cannot know what our future will be. So it means that when we take decisions in life, we should give it a thinking, deep thinking, because our life will be shaped. Our life depends on our decisions. So one has to be very careful while choosing a path.